Okie dokie, here we go.
Hello, hello. New video. Today's video, we're going to be building the 3D Jigsaw puzzle, the Mario one. And I got this from two of my close buddies, Ryan and Collin. They went on a super cool snowboarding trip to Japan, and they brought me back a cool souvenir. So we're gonna build it and see how it comes out. It says it was made by Enski. I'm not 100% familiar. Oh, yeah, here we go. Artbox, Enski Co. I'm not 100% familiar with this company. I don't think I've ever gotten anything from them, so definitely never built a puzzle. So we're gonna build this. If it's taking too long, I'm gonna speed up the footage, but yeah. Okay. All right, we got it open. Okay, so it's just like, basically we're building a figure, right? So it's like Legos, but making a toy instead of like a structure. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude, I'm stupid. It's a puzzle. So this is like good luck. I see. Okay. I thought it was gonna be like an instruction, like build your own dude. But this is a puzzle, so I gotta figure it out as I go. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna speed up the footage because this could take me a while, so. I think I'm done. It's like really loose. Like his head, like it comes off easily, but I mean, it's a puzzle, I guess. His arm is a little loose too. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to be, but I mean, this looks like him. It stands, but I guess it's just a little fragile, which is totally fine. So this took me probably like 20 minutes. It took me a while to kind of figure out how pieces like, how like the pieces like join. It was a lot easier when you like kind of look upward and then move downward, because like the way like the pieces are shaped. So once I kind of got that figured out, it wasn't that bad. But yeah, this is awesome. So shout out to my boys again. This is how it came out. I'm gonna put him on the shelf and hopefully he doesn't fall apart. But yeah, that was awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for watching, and have a good one.